Alright, we got a 2010 Dodge Challenger. Quick little body fix. Customer racked it. Little bumper. Little fender bender. So we're going to come back and do some quick little fiberglass work on this little bumper and put this thing back together. Hate that this is not no Hemi, this is the regular base model. So, as you can see, Dodge Challenger, if I said Charger, Dodge Challenger, 2010. Come over here to this. This is the front bumper cover assembly. And what we're repairing today is going to be, alright, that's what we got going on. Put the little fog lights in there, get those back together, lit it up. Alright, just posting y'all something new. Get back at you and let you see how the outcome of this little crack here comes out. Remember, we're your one-stop shop in the South ATL area. Southside Rams, Auto Care, Southside Customz. We do it all, whether it's big or small. Get the job done. Holla.